Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's explore a quick example of differential equations. Consider the equation y prime equals 2x cubed. It's called a differential equation because it involves a derivative. Here, y is an unknown function of x. The left side shows the derivative of y, and the equation tells us that this derivative must equal 2x cubed. Now, what function has a derivative of 2x cubed? One such function is 1/2 times x to the fourth power. That means this function is a solution to our differential equation. But take note, a solution to a differential equation isn't always unique, because the derivative of a constant is 0. For example, 1/2 times x to the fourth power plus 2 is also a valid solution, and that's it. A quick look at how differential equations work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more math lessons.